Wow, is it hot in here or is it just me? What's up, guys? It's Amber, aka Professor Hot Bitch of the Year. I'm kidding, I'm serious. Welcome back to class. Today, we have a very important lesson plan. Hot girl summer is right around the corner, and I, for one, want to look hot. The weather's gonna be hot, and we gotta be hot too. So today I'm gonna teach you all the life hacks you need to know on how to look hot when it's hot. So grab your notepads, kids, and get ready to learn. But turning up the heat from one hot girl to another. How to look hot when it's hot. Starting with taking off the fake glasses so you can see. Tip numero uno. Get your classic staple fashion items.
There are certain summer staple items you just can't live without, like the classic denim short. Daisy Dukes are a necessity for summer fashion, so get a few pairs. One conservative pair. Yes, to me, I say conservative should still be super, super short, but hey, you get the point. One party pair to be extra stupid hot in, and one pair that you don't even really know why you have it, but maybe will come in handy. Or maybe you just haven't thrown it away because you're a hoarder, but still, whatever. Basically, basics are a great way to amp up your wardrobe without really trying. Plain white t-shirts are another excellent staple item for the summer. Get the same classic shirt in a few styles, with a twist. They come in camis, crop tops, t-shirts, loose tops, high cut, low cut. There's honestly a million styles to choose from to switch up even something basic as a plain white tee. In fact, plain white tees can be so sexy when worn right, and will have people writing, "Hey there, Delilah," about you in no time.
Next tip, pay close attention to fabrics.
As much fun as that fuzzy coat you got at the thrift shop is, faux fur is not for the summer. Fabric choices are essential for summer fashion to stay cool and look cool. So avoid thicker fabrics like wool, knits, and tweeds, and opt for fabrics like light flowy cotton and soft linen for a vacation-ready look. P.S. Fit is just as important as fabric. As sexy as this is, it's not good for hot summer nights. A looser fit, even with longer sleeves and a light fabric, will keep you hot and unbothered.
Experiment with hairstyles. Like this. This is a wig. I feel like Maddie from Euphoria. I'm living.
Oh yes, my favorite, Harry Styles. The best hairstyles for the summer heat are ones that tie your hair up and out of your face so you can be spicy all day long in the sun. High ponytails with a braid is super cute, just like Kimmy K. Heck, go full Princess Jasmine with giant poofed pony, why not? My personal favorite look lately has been double braids, like I'd used to do when I was 4. So cute! Not to mention a bun updo is a casual celeb look that is sure to turn heads and make you look hot. Moral of the story? Try whatever. Different hairstyles for different looks are sure to put a twist on any summer look.
Tip number 3, accessorize.
Ah yes, accessories don't just accessorize an outfit, they accessorize your life. The easiest way to spice up a relatively boring look is to add not so boring accessories. Take a plain outfit and make it pop with a belt, a bag, and a necklace. Look at that, we went from Walmart to high fashion in, 2 seconds. Hair accessories like headbands are a fun, easy thing to add to any look, as well as the summer's hottest accessory, hats. So add a hat, add a different hat, add a different hat after that. Then match your bag to your hat and boom, a certified look. Speaking of bags, get a bag that speaks for itself. Rhinestone bags make any outfit pop. And rhinestone shoes, obviously, but I'll get to that later. Also on the accessories train, have fun with your nails. There is so much fun to be had with nail art, so go nuts! Take some inspo from Pinterest and do something wild. Then match your nails to your outfit. Go big or go home. Or to your bag. The possibilities are endless, and honestly, nails just make you look like a total bad bitch. Sunglasses too. Get a funky pair and recreate your own bangin' look. And of course, last but not least, my personal favorite way to amp up any outfit, jewelry! Shout out to my own jewelry line for being the best thing in the entire world that I've ever created, but adding a bunch of rings or a necklace or literally anything to any outfit makes even a plain look into the best thing I ever saw. Who doesn't want more sparkle in their life? After all, when it comes to jewelry, more is more.
Next tip, dress to impress. Get the pun? Dress to impress? Okay, I'll stop. No, I won't. More puns.
Dresses are often thought of as some glam event thing you wear when you're trying really hard to look good. But guess what? A dress is actually a super easy one-stop shop outfit shop. Literally all you have to do is pick out one thing and you're done. No pants even needed. It's an instant outfit and actually a super easy way to just put on one thing and boom, you're already ready for your sexy yacht sugar daddy date. Kidding, kind of, not really, call me. Same with coordinated two pieces. There is zero thought required to look freaking awesome and like you spent hours picking out your outfit, even when you really just grabbed one thing off the closet rack. Not to mention, a casual little dress is great for summer because it's great for day-to-night activities. This plain dress with sneakers is a fabulous day mall shopping chic, but just add some shoes and different accessories and boom! You're ready for a hot night on the town with your sexy man. Or yourself. Hot Girl Summer approved.
Tip 6. Oh my god. Shoes.
Shoes can literally make or break you. Every girl should own 4 summer shoes. 1, a pair of white sneakers. And to be honest, every other color if you can, for fun, if you want. Or have a shopping addiction like me.
I'm just obsessed with shoes. You guys know this. It's honestly probably why I don't own a house yet. Me. Whatever, worth it.
Number 2, a pair of nude strappy heels. Match them to your skin tone to elongate your legs and glow with your sexy summer tan. Number 3, a pair of colored pumps. This is the classy version of Summer Spice. Whatever color that is for you, get a pair that speaks to your inner soul. And last but not least, a pair of shoes that just goes balls to the walls wild. Something you have literally nowhere to wear it, but you saw them and just needed them. The ultimate hot girl summer accessory is shoes that make you feel like a star. P.S. Side note, matching your shoes to your bag is a very hot girl thing to do. Not to mention very Bratz doll Barbie doll chic.
I forget what number we're on, but next tip. Taste the rainbow.
You're only young once. Wear the bright orange dress if you want. Experiment with crazy colors and patterns. Why the hell not? Instead of a plain denim jacket, get one with fluffy trim or pink stars on it. P.S. Monochromatic looks are very in. Get a pink dress and a pink bag and pink shoes and a pink necklace so you're a giant pink baby. Looking fly as hell, might I add.
Why not? Have fun! Do whatever. It wouldn't be summer without poolside chillin', so get your best hotastic bikini and get cracking.
Find a bikini that makes you feel like the f***ing queen of the world. Because you are. My personal favorites are these off Amazon, but honestly there's tons to choose from at a great affordable price. I have this particular one in literally every color, and in leopard, and an American flag, and an other leopard. I literally just have them all because honestly, why not? Whatever your style, rock the hell out of it. Fat rolls and all, go out and be hot as hell.
Remember, every body is a beach body if it's on the beach. Rock it, whatever. You're only young once and you're only old once. Rock it any stage of life. You deserve it. The sun's hot, you're hot, be hot. Have a hot summer. Soak in the sun and be free. Okay, next tip. Self-care.
Beauty shines from the inside out, and a hot girl summer starts with a hot girl inside. So take care of your inner and outer you. Do a face mask, drink a smoothie, go on a nice long drive in the sun, and eat that cake. Self-care isn't just about health, it's about lifestyle health. And I'd be the first to say, bitch, those cookies are good for you. After all, anything good for the soul is good for you.
Listen close for this one, kids. Tip number 10 is the most important tip of all. The number 1 key to looking hot is believing you're hot. That's it! Isn't that great? Congratulations! You're already hot. Go act like it.
The thing about being hot is that it has nothing to do with how you look. You're already hot, dirty sweatpants and all. So go out and match the weather. Have fun, be confident, and rock the hell out of whatever it is you want to rock. Confidence is key in everything. Use it. That's what being hot is all about. Remember, you're never fully dressed without some bad bitch sass. And that's what hot girl summer really means. So go out there, chase your dreams, put on that crown, and with your head held high, go be hot.
And that, my friends, is how to look hot when it's hot. Thank you for attending this very bizarre university that I set up in my living room. If you want to attend more classes and get your fabulous full degree, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more of whatever the hell this is. I love you so very much. From one hot girl to another. Happy hot girl summer. XO. This is like my pointer. Poke myself in the eye. Okay. I feel very smart on this.